It's Danby. Danby's back. It's Danby the Dehumidifier. And what's wrong with Danby now is this thing is filled with dog hair, yeah. So check out the stuff that came out of. I don't use this. I don't use it for the hose drain. But I just took that. It keeps overflowing. So I took this apart. Poured some vinegar down there. You see it's all this. That was worse there. That was packed. But the trick apparently is this thing is plugged up. Like your AC in your house. Look at that poop over there. Disgusting. Disgusting. So they tell you to jam zip ties through this hole. Make sure it's all clear. And then move it over here to the shower. The dirty shower. Scum from this horrible water in this state. There's a pee-pee hole over here. And I got a zip tie trapped in it right now. I gotta pull it out with pliers. That one was very, very stuffed. Because it was coming out of the front and dripping that edge because it wasn't coming out of the wedge with its drain holes. Flooded out my floor twice. Nice. And this is the thing if you use the it pops down or whatever. If you use the automatic pump, which I don't. Nice. Zip tie. One zip tie, cram to the hole, make sure it's clear. It should fix it. Danby. Yeah, you can really long launch feeding it from the back. That comes out over here. POS. And then pour like vinegar down here too. Breaks up that nasty stuff. Awesome. Not really. That's how you fix it though. I'll go run it, see if it makes a water puddle again. Update this. For the special people too who have to complain about the littlest things, that's a screw-on thing too on the back. Like, you didn't show removing it. Literally, people will say that. Like, come on, use your brain. You can't use someone else's brain all the time. Use your own brain. I was also able to get I found this in the street, by the way, super long zip tie. That thing's like a foot long or maybe a foot and a half, 18 inches, I don't know. But I was also able to now feed it in this way, which I couldn't before because it was that plugged. What happens basically is the dust in the back, the filtration system's not the best, and you kind of see it builds up. So with that and with the muck, it just fills up that, and we have like a psycho dog with really bad hair, and that affects stuff too. And condo land is a very dirty place, and everyone's condo land is dirty because if you were in everyone's condo land, they have the same buildup of crap. I don't know what they made these places out of. Dust, I don't know. It's just very, very bad. Never had a place accumulate so much dust so fast than here. Alright. We're gonna let that dry. We're gonna shop back out that coil, and that should do it, hopefully. Awesome. We're gonna do a test run though. I'll show you it running and not pissing if this really did work. I don't know as of this exact moment. Other thing could be obviously the catch bin could be cracked, but this one is absolutely fine. You see it's actually a two-part unit. It's plastic and a plastic little bezel, but this one is fine. You know that, fill it up with water, leave it someplace, and this, you see no water on the ground, you know everything is fine. If you fill it up and you see water, obviously it is leaking and need a replacement bin. POS. Made in China. It might mean an hour. So far though, you take off the back, it looks like it's draining. Also charging jump box. Never made a video on that one, I don't think. And then yeah, a little shop vac I found in the trash. That thing's awesome. Threw it out because the end was bad on it. Did I make a video? I don't know. If I didn't, I didn't. Long-time viewers, I just got another end for it. The end was missing, and I threw the whole thing out because of that. It just needs a new spout right on the end. It just clicks right in. It threw it out. Unbelievable. This thing's been running now for probably at least, I don't know, 40 minutes. Nothing. So that did fix it. No more leaking all over the floor, yay. And I had another dehumidifier, a different brand. It was a GE, and that too, the tube was also pretty clogged on there, but wasn't leaking yet, but might as well checked it, and it was pretty bad. I actually sucked that one out of the shop vac. Haha, alright. Awesome. Pretty cool. Not leaking. What you can also do is just take off that back filter and pour a little vinegar over around here like I did, and I spilled some on the floor, and that will help break up any residual junk on there. When this dries, I gotta vacuum this better too. This filter is not the best, but awesome. Stop pissing. That's probably a service that you should do probably every 6 months, I would say. This is a 2020 unit. So it's not even a year old yet, it's almost a year.